when E2 appears on the display. First press the mode key, and we find that E2 appears in the R area, which means there is a problem with the rear drive. Go inside the controller and check whether the Hall wire plug and the wires on it are loose. If there is any looseness, plug it in tightly. Make sure the wiring sequence is correct. After everything is fine, we plug it back in. Turn off the display, restart it, and press the mode key, and E2 will disappear. If the whole line is connected normally, but E2 still does not disappear, we first power off the scooter and pull out the battery. Then connect the rear motor wire to the front drive port, and connect the front motor wire to the rear drive port. After completing the replacement, we turn on the display and press the mode key. If E2 is displayed in the R area, it means there is a controller problem and the controller needs to be replaced. If E2 is displayed in the F area, it means the rear motor hull is faulty. It is recommended to replace a rear motor for testing.